Hello, I'm Priyank and my colleague Vijeta Aishwarya. We are from company Havells India Limited. Our company basically is all from electrical and electronics. We are into electrical with various division of building segment, which wire, switches, and MCC, and complete deeper into homes. We also into the modular switches, automation, water heater, water purifier. As well, we have air purifier with fans, a huge range of fans with BLDC and IoT and smart fans. Majorly, we are into domestic business more, and as well we hold industrial product, that IP industrial product also, and industrial cable also. So here in the exhibition IID, basically we are focusing on our fan divisions and automation, and another division which is decorative lights, what we call is home art fan. Around more than 200 different models we have, a premium, special finish. We got fans with the two side bladed, where we can use reverse and other side, both the side blade we can use. Some of the fans has been showcased here, because constraint we have each range of fan with five different colors, so our range is very huge. So to exhibit, we also have a galaxy in Telangana. We have 26. All over India, we are around 800 plus galaxies and galleries and world of experience. We also have an air conditioned division business, that what you call is Lloyd. So where we are into washing machine, refrigerator and air condition also. Competition ante right from beginning we were among the premium, because we have addressed our market segment into premium range only. Not only for the premium customer, we also have economical range, but Havells has a own identity of unique and very premium products with special finish, not only in the modular plates, lightings, as well in the fans. So competition what we address in the market is in premium market majorly. So we have some fans which more than costing 20,000. We have a basic range which around starts with 2005 plus. In the lighting range, complete range, we have traditional LED bulb B22 base or LED batten. We have decorative range with the home art. As well, we have PIR sensors, automations, iSense, retrofit solutions, and different colors. Around more than 36 colors of plates we have. So for addressing premium market, the color range and everything we are through. This is a wonderful place to showcase our product. Plenty of people will be coming here for different, as some people architects and some builders and some end customer also. So this is a place where we can exhibit our complete range. That will sure it will help us. Automation లో iSense అని వచ్చింది, retrofit solution ఉన్నది. Automation లో ఆల్రెడీ వైరింగ్ అయింది, ఓల్డ్ హౌస్ ఉంటే రెనోవేషన్ చేస్తే వితౌట్ చేంజింగ్ వైరింగ్ వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఆటోమేషన్. Earlier automation was costing lakhs of rupees. Now it is a pocket friendly, we can say. People who desires, they can design their own bedroom, drawing room, or only specific place. So we are into an automation and some smartphones, smart fans which operate with voice command also. We also into IoT fans. So these are the major products which currently into the market, and we are ready with all range of product to address competition. Havells as a Havells, we have a production units. Right from production unit, we have sales team, various department. Within a company, we have a lot of opportunity. The people whomsoever want to be a younger entrepreneur, it is all open opportunity for all the entrepreneurs, new people whomsoever wants to have a direct dealership or automation also. If they want to it, we have integrator concept, where we will have an integrator who will compile and they will fix this all automations. So both vice versa, not only into the service sector, also in the business also, we have an opportunity in Havells. www.havells.com. The moment he approaches in that, you will find in a career column, or a local branch office will also do. Direct walking and dropping a resume, if it is finalized, we have a very strong HR team. Then all as per the norms and condition, they will be recruited if it is through. So my website, and the other way is direct walk-in in the branch office, dropping their cards, or any person having a post-graduation or a good career aspect, they can approach.
Hello Havells, turn on. So this will work on the voice. Hello Havells, turn on. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is not needed for this.